What's up, my lovely people? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create some fun, trendy designs for the fall using a new tool in Kittl. Let's go ahead and get started. So I'm in Kittl right now, and the size of the canvas that I'm using is a 5,000 by 5,000 pixels, and it is 300 DPI. I'm going to create using a new tool in Kittl called Nano Banana. So let's go ahead and plug in the first prompt. And remember, you don't have to wait for the image to generate in order for you to start on the next creation. This one came out really nice. It's a little turkey with some fall leaves around it. And for these designs, I made sure to incorporate the new patchwork that's trending. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and create a pie, but first I need a new artboard. So I'm gonna go ahead and click artboard, duplicate. Let me zoom out a bit. I'll place it under here. Go ahead and create a couple more artboards real quick. Duplicate. And I'm just gonna place them all right up under each other. Actually, I'll just make 2 rows or 2 columns. All right, let's go ahead and create the next one. And let's see how this one comes out. Actually, the image generated pretty quickly, which I like. Makes the workflow a lot quicker. This one came out nice, has the plaid, the whole embroidery, the faux embroidery stitching. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next one. And if you want these exact prompts, I'll leave them in the description below. Here's a little fall leaf, has some acorns, some cranberries. This one came out really cute. And you can use these for just about anything. It can be for a t-shirt, a graphic for a t-shirt, maybe like a clip art bundle to sell on Etsy, or maybe you want to create a cover for like a composition notebook. Well, this one came out really nice too. Or maybe like a pillow cover. That would be really cute for a pillow. And like I said before, you don't have to wait for the image to generate in order to make the next one. And after this, I'm going to show you how you can create mock-ups as well. So creating the design and creating the mock-up all within just one app. There's a pumpkin. Let's move that generation over here to the artboard. Zoom in. It's a little deer. I believe I have one more. And here's a nice little roasted turkey. I think they came out pretty nice using Nano Banana. Definitely let me know what your thoughts are and if you like how these came out as well. And once you're done creating them, you can go ahead and upscale them as well to make sure they're not pixelated. So all you have to do is click on the image, go over here to upscale, and it'll upscale the image for you, and boom. So now I'm gonna go ahead and create a mock-up for this image. So let's say I wanna create a pillow with this. For some reason, that's what's stuck in my mind right now. Go ahead and click on artboard, go over to this arrow here, and we're gonna come over here to this square and type in the prompt. I'm gonna keep it simple and just see what pops up. So let's say create a pillow mock-up in a living room setting in the fall. And let's just see, I'm nervous. Let's see how this comes out. And just in case you're wondering how long it takes, it'll count down over here. I'll show you again. This one came out pretty nice. The image looks exactly like the image that I generated. Now we're gonna go ahead and move down to the pumpkin pie, and I am going to create this. I'm gonna put this on, let's say, what is it called? Like a tablecloth? Let's do a tablecloth and see how that turns out. A tablecloth mock-up sitting, or let's say hanging from the oven. I don't know, I think it's called an oven rack. And let's see what pops. I'm just trying to think of all things that would group well with a fall mock-up, basically, if that makes sense. Okay, not exactly what I was looking for. I didn't describe it the best, but the mock-up still came out decent. Let's see. Let's move on to the next one and try this one out. For this one, I'm gonna do, let's place it on a mug. Coffee mug kitchen. And let's move on. Let's turn this one into like some wall art. Click that one, click the arrow. Let's say framed. Let's just do that. Keep it simple and see what happens. You don't always have to be extra detailed in order to create mock-ups on here. Let's move on. Let's put this on a shirt, a kid's shirt. Let's say standing outside in the fall weather. All right, let's see how these came out. Okay, this coffee mug, perfect. It even has a little steam to it. And then this one was supposed to be wall art. This one came out perfect as well. Okay, it put it on a sweater. So I probably should have said like a t-shirt instead. Okay, change the white or ivory t-shirt or long sleeve. And let's see how that comes out. This one, let's do a card because some people do stationery. So let's place this one on a card envelope. Let's just see what comes up. All right, and this one, let's place this one on a tumbler, 40-ounce tumbler, up a kitchen counter. Okay, now let's see how these came out. We can place this image on a canvas tote by a woman in fall attire outside. All right, let's zoom out and see what happened. Okay, so this was the design was supposed to be on here. So maybe if I would have started from here and then asked it to prompt this, the image would have been on his shirt, but it's okay. Let's go ahead and see what else we have. Okay, so for the pumpkin, I asked for it to put it on some card stationery, and this one came out pretty good. Honestly, you could just take that and download it and upload it to your Etsy shop or wherever you're selling or marketing your product. And then I asked it to put this one on a 40-ounce tumbler. This one came out really nice as well. Even had it even gave it the perception of it being wrapped around the tumbler to give it that realistic effect. And then I asked for this one to be placed on a canvas tote bag, and this one came out great as well. And I asked for it to be placed on a woman in a fall setting. So these came out pretty good. If you are looking to create these yourself, definitely check the description below. I have all the prompts there. And if you have some ideas that you want me to go ahead and show you how to create, definitely comment them below. And I would love to create a video for that. And if you're looking to try out Kittl for yourself, you can try it out for free. There's a link below in the description. And also if you want to try out their pro plan, I have a discount code below as well. Until next time, I'll talk to you guys later.